there, welcome back and happy Halloween. This is Rozani. Have you ever thought of how you're going to recycle your bottles and jars? Well, I've been working on a lot of jar projects and having so much fun with the process because I'm using my Papier Mâché pulp dough that applies very easily, like I've done in previous videos. And I'm showing you some of that right here. I'll leave that link in the description. You could find my papier mâché pulp dough recipe in my playlist and also in my Etsy shop. And I'll leave that link in the description. You might even be interested in a custom workshop. Meanwhile, think about what you'd like to make with the jars or bottles that you have. They're great for making all kinds of projects. And you can work with or without the labels. You can paint directly on the label or sculpt on top of it or just peel the whole thing off. They can be glass or plastic like this little one here. Another work in progress. And they could be any shapes or sizes. It doesn't matter. You can stick just about anything on them. You can actually glue pieces that have hardened. Try whatever you like. And I happen to have all kinds of little add-ons like these inside my Etsy shop. Do you like these ideas? And do you like this type of content? If so, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And I thank you for watching.